Where do you live? Do you have a big house?
Today we learn to describe your home in English.
Kitchen, bedroom, living room. Let's go.
Hello, I'm William. Welcome to Learn English, Level A1.
And I'm Sarah. Today's topic is the home.
We learn the rooms of the house and how to describe them.
Easy vocabulary. Short sentences. Let's start.
Sarah, where do you live?
I live in an apartment in the city.
Is it a big apartment?
Not very big. I have a living room, a kitchen, and one bedroom.
Do you have a garden?
No garden. I have a small balcony.
Nice. I live in a house. It has 2 floors.
2 floors. How many bedrooms does it have?
It has 3 bedrooms and a big garden. I love it.
Now let's review the home vocabulary from that conversation.
Living room is where you sit, watch TV, and relax.
Kitchen is where you cook. Bedroom is where you sleep.
Apartment means you live in one part of a big building.
Garden is an outdoor area. Balcony is a small outdoor space.
What rooms does your home have? Practice describing it.
William, is your house old or new?
My house is quite old. About 50 years old.
Is it near the city center?
No, it is in the suburbs. About 20 minutes from the city center.
What is your favorite room?
My favorite room is the kitchen. I love to cook.
Mine is the living room. I love to read on the sofa.
That sounds relaxing. Do you have a bathroom upstairs?
Yes, my bathroom is upstairs next to the bedroom.
More home vocabulary. Let's review these words.
Suburbs are areas outside the city center. Quieter and more space.
Sofa is a big, comfortable seat for the living room.
Bathroom is where you wash and use the toilet.
Upstairs means the higher floor. Downstairs is the lower floor.
Repeat slowly. Describe your home with me.
I live in an apartment.
I have a living room and 1 bedroom.
My favorite room is the kitchen.
My bathroom is upstairs.
Excellent. You can describe any home now.
Quiz time. 3 questions about the home.
Question 1. Where do you cook? A. Living room. B. Bedroom. C. Kitchen.
The answer is C, kitchen. You cook in the kitchen.
Question 2. Where do you sleep? A. Kitchen. B. Bedroom. C. Bathroom.
The answer is B, bedroom. You sleep in the bedroom.
Question 3. A home part of a big building is an A. House. B. Garden. C. Apartment.
The answer is C, apartment. Part of a large building.
Wonderful. Now you can describe your home in English.
Next episode, my daily routine. What do you do every day?
Subscribe and see you in the next episode. Goodbye.